the mountain keeping watch, speaking truths no king could choke. Every sunrise kissed the ridges, every moon embraced the stone. Jah was whispering through the cedars, telling every soul, come home. The mountain still sings, not with words but with the wind. The mountain still sings, calling hearts to rise again. When the rivers lose their patience, when the forests shed their tears, the mountain still sings, stronger than the passing years. Children gather by the fire, listening to the elders pray. Every story holds a lantern, lighting up the narrow way. No silver buy a peaceful spirit, no empire own the sky. Every eagle knows the secret, freedom never learns to die. The mountain still sings through the thunder and the rain. The mountain still sings, healing every hidden pain. Roots run deeper than deception, branches touch eternity. The mountain still sings, Jah alone can make us free. Babylon built towers of pride, stone on stone and lie on lie. Still the humble seed keeps growing, reaching for the open sky. Hear the conga, hear the heartbeat, hear the echo through the veil. Truth may travel slow like rivers, yet it never ever fails. The mountain still sings while the mighty fade away. The mountain still sings, greeting every newborn day. Lion walk with quiet power, love become the strongest shield. The mountain still sings, every faithful heart will heal. One day every trumpet silence, every palace turned to dust. Still the hillside keep remembering every promise built on trust. When the last drum softly echoes and the evening stars appear, lift your eyes toward the mountain, Jah has always been right here. The mountain still sings, from the valleys up to Zion. The mountain still sings, where the faithful keep on trotting. No chain can bind the living spirit, no darkness hide the morning light. The mountain still sings, forever burning, forever guiding, forever bright. Hear it in the breeze, hear it in the river,
This version is more cinematically penetrated with continuous story, national energy, and a timeless roots and culture message. Look how fit beautiful with a warm and hour. Young 1960s. Church and recognition.
Long before the road knew footsteps, before the fence and factory smoke, there was a mountain keeping watch, speaking truths no king could choke. Every sunrise kissed the ridges, every moon embraced the stone. Jah was whispering through the cedars, telling every soul, come home. The mountain still sings, not with words but with the wind. The mountain still sings, calling hearts to rise again. When the rivers lose their patience, when the forests shed their tears, the mountain still sings, stronger than the passing years. Children gather by the fire, listening to the elders pray. Every story holds a lantern, lighting up the narrow way. No silver by a peaceful spirit, no empire on the sky. Every eagle knows the secret Hear the heartbeat, hear the echo through the veil. Truth may travel slow like rivers, yet it never ever fails. The mountain still sings, while the mighty fade away. The mountain still sings, greeting every newborn day. The lion walk with quiet power, love become the strongest shield. The mountain still sings, every faithful heart will heal. One day every trumpet silence, every palace turn to dust. Still the hillside keep remembering every promise built on trust. When the last drum softly echoes and the evening stars appear, lift your eyes toward the mountain. Jah has always been right here. The mountain still sings, from the valleys up to Zion. The mountain still sings, where the faithful keep on trudging. No chain can bind the living spirit, no darkness hide the morning light. The mountain still sings, forever burning, forever guiding, forever bright. Hear it in the breeze, hear it in thy bay, hear it in your heartbeat. The cock crow long before the sunrise, still the earth keep breathing slow. Morning dew upon the breadfruit leaves, like your tears upon the road. Babylon write history in ink, but the mountain right in stone. Every echo from the ancient hills say, child, you never alone. Mountain still sing, when the night feel cold and long. Mountain still sings, calling floating softly on the breeze. No crown shine like humble living, no sword sharper than the truth. When the elders plant good wisdom, every child inherit roots. Mountains still sings, though the proud refuse to hear.
Mountain still sings,
Driving out the chains of fear. Rivers never lose their pathway, stars still find the darkest sky. Mountains still sings, teaching every soul to fly. When the cities drown in noise and the markets sell men's dreams, there's a fire upon the hillside, burning brighter than it seems. Lion walk without a trumpet, eagle soar without applause. Truth don't need a golden palace, only hearts without a place. Mountain still sings, calling every wandering child.
mountain still sings,
Gentle, ancient, fierce, and wild. Every tear become a river, every river reach the sea. Mountain still sings, Jah forever setting free. Listen, before the first drum was beaten, before Babylon built a single wall, the mountain was singing. And when every kingdom fade like dust, the mountain will still sing. when the lion walk in patience. Blessings rain from high above. Mountain still sings, though the world forget the song. Mountain still sings, tell the weak them still be strong. Roots grow deeper after every storm. Truth stand taller every dawn. Mountain still sings, calling every heart back home. Hear the drums beneath the moonlight. Hear the voices of the old. Every generation rising, keeping sacred stories told. When the last fire keep on burning, hope will never fade away. Mountain still sings forever, leading every soul today. Mountain still sings, mountain never lose its voice. Just still guide the humble people, love remain the greatest choice. From the valleys on to Zion, every nation hear the call. Mountain still sings, Jah love stronger than them all. The wind still carry wisdom. The mountain still sings. Listen, Jah is speaking. Morning rise up on the hillside. Mist still cover every tree. Babylon build them walls so high, still them can't silence me. Every stone remember footsteps. Every river know my name. Every breeze carry the message. Jah forever stay the same. Mountain still sing, though the world forget the song. Mountain still sings, tell the weak them still be strong. Roots grow deeper after every storm. Truth stand taller every dawn. Mountain still sings, calling every heart back home. Children searching for tomorrow, holding dreams in weary hands. Plant a seed in honest soil, faith will bloom across the land. passion. No throne greater than love. When the lion walk in patience, blessings rain from high above. Mountain still sings, though the world forget the song. Mountain still sings, tell the weak them still be strong. Roots grow deeper after every storm. Truth stand taller every dawn. Mountain still sings, calling every heart back home. Oh, hear the drums beneath the moonlight. Hear the voices of the old. Every generation rising, keeping sacred stories told. When the last fire keep on burning, hope will never fade away. Mountain still sings forever, leading every soul today. Mountain still sings, mountain never lose its voice. Just still guide the humble people. Love remain the greatest choice. From the valleys unto Zion, every nation hear the call. Mountain still sings, Jah love stronger than them all. The winds still carry wisdom. The mountain still sings. Listen, Jah is speaking. The cock crow long before the sunrise, still the earth keep breathing slow. Morning dew upon the breadfruit leaves, like Jah tears upon the road. Babylon write history in it, but the mountain write in stone. Every echo from the ancient hill say, child, you're never alone. Mountain still sings when the night feels cold and long. Mountain still sings, turning every pain to song. Roots hold firm beneath the thunder, branches dancing in the rain. Mountain still sing, love will always rise again. Old man beating Nyabingi underneath the tamarind tree. Every heartbeat carried prophecy, floating softly on the breeze. No crown shine like humble living, no sword sharper than the truth. When the elders plant good wisdom, every child inherit roots. Mountain still sings, though the proud refuse to hear. Mountain still sings, carving out the chains of fear.
drum was beaten, before Babylon built a single wall, the mountain was singing. And when every kingdom fade like dust, the mountain will still sing.